Yeah, right here.
Nice back view.
Let me put that fucker right here.
We don't need that.
Yeah, give it to me. I'll take care of it.
So what is this?
When did we figure this out? 1973. I believe it was 73, right? Yeah. 73, 90-inch, 2-stroke aermacchi Harley Davidson.
90 cubic inch. That's a 90 cubic inch motor. Single cylinder.
Sorry. You know what I meant. 90 cc's.
It's an X90,
X90.
not a Z90, an X90. Z90 is different. X90 had the small wheels, the Z90 had the big wheels.
Yeah, this is an X. We just got the wrong wheels on the. They put some.
You got Honda wheels on. No, you got Honda wheels on it. Here you go, Fred. You're in charge. And this has the limiter carbonator on it, which means your finger does not fit through the hole. Limited. And we found a restrictor on the thing too. Didn't we? Gasket or something blocking everything. Maybe it's slow. Is there any oil in this thing?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. They'd be coming out right there.
Okay, we need some metric tools.
Metric.
I got this pain in my.
Hey, News.
See, Fred, this
Beat it.
metric tools.
Fred, this is here.
Oh, we got it. Huh? Metric tools. New screwdriver. Yeah, we got screws. Got my brand new screwdriver set.
Oh, he's got his fancy.
Okay, red or Phillips.
Oh, let's just put it right here.
Yellow. Yellow or straight line.
Don't be the first.
Don't be that guy, right?
You see this, Fred? It does not fit in the hole.
Right.
So this is the wrong one. That's how we bought the whole kit. Look at that.
And what was the point of this cheapo, I mean, high-end, expensive super grip?
Fred found this on the side of the road when he was out there doing his jeeping.
Right, my jeeping.
Your
He
jeeping.
brought his own towels with
Well, those are
it?
cute.
How is it showing off today?
Green towels.
I brought my own towels because he's so damn stingy about his. Mine are green because they're cheaper that way.
So we know the bucket, right? You guys have told the bucket
This
story?
is his bucket, this is my bucket.
Well, here's his bucket. So
This is all American stuff, though.
and that's his bucket. But you know, this isn't really a bucket, is it?
This is Snap-on too.
It's not a bucket.
A tray? What do you
You know what it is?
What?
Really? You don't know what it is? This is a Tupperware.
It's for baking bread, son.
No, this is a Tupperware cover to go over when you make a cake.
For cake.
You make a round cake, right? And so you have the tray on the bottom.
This is the number one, the big one.
This is you have a tray on the bottom, and then you flip. This is the cover that goes over the cake. So we have a Tupperware bucket.
He's a baker.
How did I know that?
Shit, Tatro.
What?
Look at all these fucking metric tools I got.
Oh, you mean
Look
the?
at these metric
Ooh,
tools.
look at those tools.
Oh my God.
You know, I told you to get some tools, you're really yakking. I'm using American tools on this, a Harley. I'm using
Look
American.
at that,
American.
Tatro.
We're gonna do American. Look, we got our flag and everything.
Damn right.
Got our flags, our other Harleys. We got the Harley there.
American tools.
We got the Harley.
But I got my Japanese
Your
screwdriver.
Chinese made.
No,
Japanese?
this is Japanese.
Japanese.
That make 'em better?
Dupli.
Coking, not fucking chunking.
Oh, yeah, don't take it off. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. So, what we had?
Oh, he's into marking stuff. You know that's gonna come off when we clean it. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Snap-on
You could
screwdriver.
use a scraper to do that.
If you put a permanent mark in there, you would see it. That is not permanent. It will be coming off. Okay, this is my genuine Koken screwdriver.
Token?
Logan, huh?
Isn't that
You're
Koken?
Token or token?
Token. Is he token or is he coking?
It's a Co and a Ken.
Token and he coking.
A Koken.
Alright.
And these were not cheap. Even at 50% off, they were expensive.
Yeah, even at 50% off, you're right there. Expensive.
Where's your bucket for tools? Uh-oh.
You break it, you buy it, Tatro. That's what happens around here.
It had that scraped up point in there already.
You know.
It was already damaged like that.
You break it, you buy
Okay, you
it.
gonna hold this thing so I can put some pressure on it? Someone already ran it off the screw head here.
That would be Tatro.
I don't know who did that.
I know you got
I
a,
got one.
We need
got
an
one
impact
of
knocker.
you got an impact.
But it's in a little passive thing about this big.
Yeah. Where is it?
There she is.
Damaged screwdriver. That's a brand new screwdriver.
These look like knockoffs.
It doesn't look like we damaged the screwdriver or anything. Just that Italian screw over there. What's in here?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What's
What's
in
that
here?
town? That's Harley Davidson on it.
Oh,
I mean, this is American made.
It's an American.
Yeah, that is some fancy stuff there.
Don't be crying about the size of this. I know you like it a little bit heavier than this.
Well, just use that one. All right, that
Oh,
one.
he brought it with him. I bragged about this one because it's like a pound lighter or something.
It's a pussy hammer. Still gonna fit in there.
Oh, that was too easy.
It's because of impact knocker.
If he'd ate his Wheaties this morning, we wouldn't have had to get that tool out.
You're gonna hit that one too, because the screw's all screwed up.
This one's actually the big before.
Yeah,
You know,
done.
if you hold it like this, I can actually hit it without hitting myself.
I should have known that was a
He
problem.
doesn't want much, does he?
Fred, I should have known that was a problem. Lose parts.
Here you go, sir.
We're on a roll now.
You rolling.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep them doggies going.
Bucket out.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rawhide. Keep 'em up.
Bucket's right here, but I feel like I need a bucket for my bucket. You ever get that thing? Bucket for your bucket?
We have these power tools with screws, what happens?
It'd be nice to have a little air tool to zip those out, right?
The big one's right across the surface. When you do that.
Wait a second. What kind of box is that now?
This is the box that goes in the box.
No, what about that box?
This is
Joanne saves things like
Is
this
it-
for me for the garage because she
is it-
knows I'm fucking.
It's so
it's
cute, man.
special.
Well, it's Valentine's Day right around the corner. So
Speak for you, Fred.
it's Valentine's Day is around the corner.
Joanne's
so
so sweet to me. When she has a little box like this, she keeps them because she knows I like to put parts in them in the garage.
Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Yeah, it's February 6th. You're getting your little cute little flowery box to put your parts in.
Because you're jealous, aren't you?
Am I jealous? Yeah. Okay.
These are fancy.
I'm really jealous.
Feels like there's something wet on there, but it's not. It's not feels.
I'm so jealous.
I know, Fred.
These are
jealous.
definitely fancy screws.
Strange head on them.
These things are weird.
Flathead.
Square headed. They're so sharp, they dig into everything and cut metal. These need to have that buffing tool put on them, deburr them.
Oh, is this the Coke and... Man, he really is showing off with all of his tools today.
You got a nice sharp edge on this. Like
He's
Why
got
don't you
that
clean
drip.
that now? Why don't you clean it up right now?
they didn't like it. Remember, I told them I was going to cut their tool off. They said, "I'm not going to sell it to you."
yeah. Just got mad.
Just go away, man. Just
He
go
was
away.
immediately talking shit to her, though.
Just go away. So what happened with the strap guy? Did you like, nah, that's too much. That's too much work.
And Tatro's part of the engineering team for them now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I told him these things that are improving. He's going to send me some free ones that I'll do a video test.
Him and I were talking to him for like an hour or 20 minutes. We talked to him for a while.
There's all
and
that
he's like,
crap in there. You might get some video of that.
Yeah.
Probably get some video of that so you can see what it looks like.
Yeah, so we're going to figure out 9 years later when it goes back together. So this is off the carb.
You need a 2x4 under here. Look at 2x4.
I'm gonna grab a 2x4 then.
So this is an oil injection device. So you connect this to the throttle. It injects the pump. They had the same thing in 1930 on the 45 and on the V8. The oil injection. So you turn the throttle on, it turns the pump up more.
Yeah.
Puts more in the motor.
Okay.
And then you get out the throttle, it cuts back on oil.
And it smokes less.
Very ingenious
Say that
design.
one more time. How's this working?
1930 Harley Davidson had the same damn thing.
Really?
An oil injection pump where you pull the lever and it'd ramp up the pump. There's a vane that rotated like this, made a piston pump. And as you went, the lever would move the cam up further. So it means you go further, wiggle like that, so it'd pump more piston stroke. And then when you got down toward the center, it wouldn't move hardly at all. And that's how they did the early bikes. It also has a variable displacement, variable pressure system. The problem is the pressure is about 0, and it went down to 0.
0 to 0. Huh?
Never improved.
It's almost equal amount of flow too, so it's almost 0 flow too. So that was a negative of this pump. It didn't do shit.
You got nothing in your.
I'm wondering
None of
what's
your
gonna do with that
screwdrivers are
flag.
going to
No,
work
what's he gonna
there.
do with that flag?
This doesn't work on
He
here.
wants too bad.
No, that doesn't work.
What's this thing do
What's wrong
here?
with
You'd almost think he was drinking or something.
So that looks like a screwdriver slot there.
You know, you got a screwdriver there. You got a screw.
What's this here?
He's got this guy here. He's a little this guy.
No, this wouldn't work.
It's this adjustment, right?
This has already been picked up by you in the previous life.
Don't.
If I had to guess, I'd say that was a level plug.
Nope. I think it. Ooh, big old chunk came out in that time.
You break it, you buy it. If you can find it.
That's breaking. You need a smaller bit than this one.
I don't know if we got it.
Okay, then you have to hold the motor like that so I can actually really hit on it.
All right.
There it goes. That was it. That plug is
That was
unplugged.
the one.
We had to get a positive impact on that socket to make it really do its job. All right, sir, you can lay it down.
No,
We have an oil leak in there.
put some more screws in the cute box.
Here's your oil leaking pad.
You think we can afford things like that?
Well, it's leaking its guts
Call it.
out.
It's called a this a rag.
It's leaking its guts out on that side of the vehicle, sir.
Sure, no, it's clean oil.
I know. We want dirty
All
oil.
right, what are we taking apart next?
He has metric tools over there, Fred.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the
Luke, these are metric tools, not standard.